Good morning, guys. Well, we got a little bit of a ride. We are heading back over to Randy's. This snitching seatbelt thing, man. I can't code that stupid ding out of this car fast enough. I just can't. All right, so here we go. So today I know we're going to LKQ. We're going to go try to find a bumper for that Malibu. That's a thing. Uh-oh, I hear sirens. So we're supposed to go do that. I know that's a thing. What else we got going on? And a couple other things. We might even get another like update video or something, and we'll see what happens. But yeah, let's go ahead and get our day started and get moving. I gotta go. Luckily, I'm gonna go ahead and make my trip a little shorter. I'm gonna cut through Tinker at Tinker Air Force Base, and we'll get started back here in a few minutes. Uh-oh, I see we got tires out, or 4 new tires just got delivered. I'm guessing that's for the truck. Huh. All right. Shut this beast down. Oh. What is up? What? Hey, Psycho. What's up, Psycho?
I'm heading to Canada.
What's up? What? 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 Psycho dog, psycho dog. Oh no, I'm being attacked by a psycho dog. Ah! What's up? What is up? Get it.
When you left, I ran over a deer.
Oh wow.
Yeah, one jumped out and almost decapitated my car.
I mean, we can grab an old. This was exactly the same too.
This is exactly the same.
Dun, dun, dun. It's so funny to see these cars out here, and these are cars that I can remember like, oh, I want one of those, you know.
Back in the day.
Yeah, right?
I come here for the older.
Yes.
LKQ for the new one.
See plenty of old Impalas.
Yeah.
Shit. And I see intakes from 42. Yep, it's white.
Color, but...
Yep.
Man, I hate putting the wrong color on it. So maybe they'll have a gold one here somewhere. You know what I want to do?
What? Hide the box?
I'm gonna leave that fucker sitting right there.
There you go.
Come back and get it when you come back.
I just had to photograph the box. I'm like, we're gonna come back. Somebody stole tools. What is this? Trans?
Yeah.
Wow.
Front wheel drive GM.
Somebody pulled it and was like, nope, no good. Just left it right there.
What they do is they pull it, and instead of buying the whole transmission, which is $80,
Right.
they take it apart and take the parts they need out of it, shove them in their pocket, and leave.
That's foul.
There's
A silver one.
there's another silver one.
Yeah.
Wait, the other one was white.
Yeah, the other one was white.
I mean, at least they've got some.
Yeah.
I mean, regardless, there's a gold one. There's a gold one. I'm happy. That just made my day. And it's right where we left the boat.
Oh man. Right there.
That's it.
There it is. Ding, 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 ding.
Oh, it's ripped off.
It's broke?
No, I'm kidding.
Oh, I was like, oh shit.
Yeah, that's it.
Wow, this thing's all ragged out on the interior. I was say, I wonder Wonder if the visor. Oh wow! I was gonna say, I wonder if the visor was any good. Nope. All right.
Get these
Professional tools.
tools out here.
Hey, it's got a pool in the back. Yeah, it doesn't drain. I can't believe that.
This toolkit is fucking amazing. The right tool for the job here.
Hell yeah.
That's what I love about GMs, man. If anybody ever wonders why these cars rattle so much?
Because they're all put together with
There's
friggin'
nothing
plastic
but
rivets.
plastic
Don't! That's why their warranty says we will not warranty any creaks, noises, rattles. Yeah.
It's got that little ding right there.
That's all right. It's better than not having a bumper at all. At least it matches the color.
All right, I gotta take the tail lights out. I knew pull part would have. I almost call it co-part.
It does, like, they come out, couple screws, takes out the whole tail light, it's out, and you're good to go. Those aftermarket wood screws? No, man.
I don't know if it's GM.
That's that fitment, man. You know, they want to make sure
You know what it is?
Is it factory?
That is factory.
Wow.
That is factory. It's got a bracket for it right underneath. I didn't know that.
Okay, that's hilarious.
All right.
I know it's got two clips over here. Yeah, on the side.
And we got here on the day bumpers are $17.50.
That's awesome.
You know, they're on sale for $17.50.
Because this bumper would normally be like $70, right? $50, something like that.
Yeah, probably about $50. I feel bad for this place. I've literally been shopping here since 1996.
Are they going out of business or not?
They're losing market share hard to LKQ. So, you know, LKQ's bigger. They got more money, and they're really taking over the market out here. In fact, this lot is supposed to be closing, or it was about 6 months ago. It was on the news
That they were shutting down?
saying, well, they were closing this location because they had another one, and they were opening a new location.
Damn.
And I got all excited for it, and well, this one's still here. So I don't know.
By friggin' screws.
In plastic clips.
Yep.
And there should be like a plastic clip back
There's like a big black clip on either side. I know it like supposed to slide, like you're supposed to be able to pull it forward and it should come off of that rail.
Okay, so once we get it loose,
Yep.
the rest of the way.
It's definitely been painted before. Yeah. I can see that the under the license plate thing, all the styrofoam and shit is gold. Wow.
Yeah, I've learned. Okay, that's everything that I can see holding it on, unless we got something else.
There's something directly under the
behind the license plate clips. No?
No, I don't know. Unless
I think those clips are for the
unless there's some right here.
And we don't have this piece.
I doubt.
Somebody already took the license plate light, so it's gone. I'm gonna take those out, maybe.
See if they help.
That should be it.
I don't know. Whoever wins this car should really appreciate Randy. He was getting down there in the horse shit that fell out under this car.
Yeah.
Just to get a bumper for y'all, man.
I think that's it.
Yeah, see, there you go.
There shouldn't be.
Say bang on the motherfucker. There you go. Yeah, there he goes. Yep. We just got to get it off this side clip.
think these pop.
Yes. Do you see that black clip on the side?
Yeah.
We don't care about the clip on the car.
There, yeah.
Yeah.
There it is. There it is. And there's one more.
Oh no, not the tools. No.
Fatality.
You alright? You don't look happy right now. Oh shit.
Turn this up. Hold on. Hey y'all, watch this.
Wah, 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 wah.
It was at this moment he knew he fucked up.
Yeah, that was great on that video because as soon as I was going around that corner,
that was it.
and then you paused,
Yep.
and when that comment came up, I just started laughing.
Oh, we can go like this straight on. I doubt it's gonna convert the torque.
No.
Nope.
Wah, 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 wah.
I just need like a. Come on, fit. Oh, we need to make sure I don't. We need over here. Come on. Woo-hoo.
There it goes. That's it.
Damn. That bitch. This is the worst one. Fucking.
We'll leave that bolt out.
You know what? this is the German engineering at GM.
Shining through right here.
Yeah, exactly. Deal with this shit.
Now make sure you got enough room you can get that ratchet back out.
You know what? I wonder if I
And
can
you,
turn it
yeah,
by
you
hand.
can reach in there and just pull it out by hand.
Yeah, nope.
No.
Not yet. You know what though? When the bolt comes out, when the nut comes off, it should just come off with the ratchet.
Well, yeah.
Because the bolt's to the front of it. Yep, there it is.
There it is. It's coming. Oh no.
Oh, nope. Damn.
That was my side that fell out.
That's alright. It's right there too. Come on, bitch.
And look how close this is to busting your knuckles right
I
here.
know, it's so bad.
Like, they do this on purpose.
You saying they have a Tesla complex?
They're like, if
They
you,
don't
try,
want-
if you try to work on this yourself, you're gonna go to the hospital.
I did that with the Envoy when I didn't use jack stands, and I was like, I'm going to use this Harbor Freight jack, and then the truck started to come down on my chest, and I was like,
Oh,
oh
man.
shit, we're going for a ride. Come on, bitch. Thank
There it goes.
Woo.
There it is.
Bumper.
And there it was. Done.
It smells like horseshit.
I may need a smaller screwdriver.
You need a smaller flathead or something?
Yeah, this is just too big to get in there
Let me
with.
see what you got. Now, so you need a
Yeah, I need something.
smaller gauge?
Yeah, something definitely smaller than that.
Alright. Same length or no?
No, well, just much smaller.
It's much smaller all the way around. Alright. Let's see. This is the next size down.
I think that'll do it.
I'm surprised. I mean, can you grab the wiring harness and just rip on the bitch and see if it comes out?
I tried. It's clipped on there pretty good.
It's years of dried, petrified plastic.
And it's in a place. Ow.
Don't cut yourself. Did you cut yourself?
No. I mean, this thing is just.
Okay. bastard.
Got it?
There we go.
There it is. Da, 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 da. Got it. Oh shit! Did you have everything in there you needed?
Yeah.
What did you?
I thought your hand.
Oh, you thought it was my hand?
I thought your hand
I should have
was
said.
back there.
I should have been like, oh, oh, oh. Nah. So these two little connectors is all it took.
That's it. No? You're not going to?
No.
All right then.
Here he comes.
I'll slow down a little bit. Now, where are you going?
Wow.
Are you fucking serious?
Does he got a push bar on an Oldsmobile? He got a Delta 88 with a push bar.
And a
Wow.
light bar. And a light bar
Oh
across
man.
the front of it. That was worth it.
Oh
I
yeah.
passed the gas station just to smash it off.
We're over here racing some scumbag in a GMC.
A new GMC.
A new GMC.
And
And they
whooped
couldn't keep up with the 5.3 Triton.
Whooped him in the old ass 3 valve
Well.
that misfires under load.
See, I would get, like, if I had an old truck like this, I would spray paint "Hold This L" right on the tailgate. That's what I need to get, the license plate. Hold this. That's what I need. And then just hang an L from the bumper. That's what I need. That's what I need. I need that.
That'd be funny.
When I get, I think I'm gonna get this tag though from. Hold on, let me shut. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Now we will have the Malibu completed. I think tomorrow. We just literally have to hang the bumper. We went and pulled it today. Got a lot of other stuff to do, but I think we'll be able to hang that bumper and get it set up and do a video for you guys on that, either when you see this in the morning. So later on tomorrow or in the evening, if you're seeing this, this morning, or the next day, depending on editing, you should be able to get to see it. Again, major shout out to Randy. And good luck to everybody that wants to win that free car. It's real simple. You just have to go to the giveaway videos on both channels, like and subscribe. That's pretty much it. Good luck to everybody, and someone's going to win a good car.